What's up guys, here with a beginner core workout, 10 exercises to grow, activate, and strengthen your core. Let's get it. Starting here with 10 knee to elbow standing crunches on each leg, alternating for 1 minute. 1 minute alternating toe taps. 1 minute knee drives, 10 on each leg, alternating legs. 1 minute oblique crunches, 10 on each side, alternating sides. 1 minute leg lift and rotation, 10 on each side, alternating sides. 3 sets of 10 standard sit-ups. 3 sets of 12 to 20 alternating ankle taps. A 1 minute plank, 1 minute knee to chest mountain climbers, alternating legs, and finally 3 sets of 10 leg raises. Great core work there guys, stay gold, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.